Oh my
Find
God.
that light. That's the 400 strip.
Yeah, I don't
Kane
have...
did not do that one. I need some light, please.
I kind of can't give you light right now because I'm recording in the dark, sort of, and I don't know which direction my camera's facing. Oh. Okay, what are you about to... What are we about to throw here?
Everything.
God, it smells good.
What, that farm? Alright.
No, that.
That's the Roman standard.
Oh my God.
Well, you might want to aim it at the concrete to be on the safe side.
Aim it at the concrete. It's prettier when it hits the concrete.
Boom goes the dynamite.
Wow.
I still want to light one of those. It sounds weird when it hits grass.
That was the puddle.
God, it smells good.
I know, right?
I might need some bright light here. Let me do this one. I need some bright light. That's the 400 strip. Somebody get some bright light over here, please. Somebody. I need this. Wait a minute. Excuse me.
You got no current joint right there.
Yeah, I'm telling you, like. Oh yeah.
You know I'm recording, right?
It's alright, it's alright. I don't know if that's the strip or not. I'm guessing, but.
Oh my God, Blake,
You got
no.
that on record. Everybody watch out, because this is not going to be pretty. The string is not long enough.
You better throw that thing far. Okay, so like, this is a 400 strip firecracker. Like,
Wait, don't record your shit. I need to get my good lighter.
I'm recording right now. You know what you should? You should light it in the middle of the street.
I am.
And set it. Lay it in the middle of the street and light it.
Seriously, these dingle.
On it.
How many strips is that plate?
You got the flash on, right?
I can't have a flash on when I'm recording. Because then it'll drown out the light of the firecracker.
Alright.
Because, see, I can see the lighter, so I know I'm aiming the right direction.
You say 50 strip.
What is...
100 piece strip of TNT firecrackers. It's supposed to be really loud, maximum overload. So.
My